Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a testimonial slider on Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your dashboard. Here in the left panel, click on this arrow icon next to the Apps section, and a search bar will appear where you will type in testimonial, and this will lead you to the Shopify App Store. Look for an app that indicates free plan available only, unless you are willing to pay for the app after its trial period. Once you picked one, click on Install. This will open a new tab. Just click on Install again. Next, click on Collect Testimonials. In this new tab, you can add in testimonials by adding a file, pasting a URL, or using the provided QR code to share with your customers. You can also choose to add testimonials manually by clicking on Content up here. Then click on Import from a CSV file. From the File Manager, add your CSV file here, then click Import. Next, input the content title. For example, input in Review 1. Next, to add it to your store, go back to the Design Settings section and scroll down until you see Customize Widgets. Add the widget language, minimum ratings that you want to display, and edit the reviewer's name, which you can choose if you want to add their full names or not. Then, scroll up again and click on Add Widget. Then click the page where you want to add your testimonials to. Whichever page you choose, it will open a new tab redirecting you to the Shopify editor. Make sure that under the Apps section here in the left panel, there will be the word Carousel. And make sure that in your chosen page, the testimonial is visible. And once you're done checking, click on the Save button up here to save your changes. And that is how you can add testimonial sliders to Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.